Hello students, welcome back. Let us look into this problem and try to solve it. The question says, an engineer designed a robot that can climb stairs. If the robot climbs stairs with a constant speed v, battery of the robot discharges completely in a time interval tau. And this dependence has been drawn on the graph. So this is the graph. With the help of the graph, determine the maximum length of the staircase which the robot can climb with a constant velocity. If you notice, this graph is in between speed versus 1 by tau, where tau is the time, total time. And as per question, there are combination of the velocity of the robot and the total time taken by it. Suppose the robot goes with constant velocity v1, the total time by which the battery will discharge is tau 1. So v1 into tau 1 will be the distance covered. Same way, if it is going with a constant velocity v2 and tau 2 is the total time taken. So v2 into tau 2 will be the distance covered by the robot, like that. And this is what has been drawn on the graph. But instead of straight velocity versus tau, it has been given velocity versus 1 by tau. So for convenience, let us write this axis as y-axis. So what will be the y coordinates and how can it be expressed? So y will be equal to 1 by tau. So your tau will be 1 by y. The robot moves with a constant velocity. So distance or displacement by the robot will be v into, if tau is the time taken to discharge the battery of the robot fully, so v into tau will be the length or displacement or distance covered by the robot. If it goes with v and by tau time the battery discharges. So tau we can use from here. So we can write v by y. So by this way, we have got the length covered by the robot as a function of v and y. So for s to be maximum, we will use the mathematics. You know the maxima minima case. So if we use that case, ds by dy is equal to 0, so we will get a condition for which s will be maximum. So let us write ds by dy. By differentiation, you know it is y square v into vy by dy minus y into dv by dy, and this is equal to 0. v by dy 1, so v y, okay, so your equation will become v is equal to y dv by dy. So this will become dy by dv is equal to y by v. So your dy by dv, we got y by v. What is this dy by dv? dy by dv represents the slope of this curve at any y and b. So if we give dy by dv a name m, your equation will become y by. So y is equal to m into v. From coordinate geometry and this equation, you know that this is the equation of straight line passing through the origin for a fixed m. If we fix the slope, then this becomes an equation of straight line passing through the origin. But we got this condition from, for the condition to be s as maximum. So if we select m on this curve line, which passes through the origin, we will get a condition for maxima of s. Also, you know that on any curve, like if it is a curved line, x and y, slope at any point is the tangent at that point. Means the line which just touches the tangent at that line, at that point. So we have got a condition where it says that the slope should be such so that it pass through the origin. So we have a point from where we can draw the line. From the origin, you draw a straight line. Sorry. From the origin, you draw a straight line and see where it touches the graph. So this is the point where it touches the graph. What is the coordinate of that point? V is 2, so it is 2, comma, y is 0.04. So for this point, the coordinate what is obtained, if we use that coordinate, we will get the maximum distance covered by the robot. So your y is 0.04 per second. Y is 1 by tau, 0.04 per second. So tau will be 100 by 4 means 25 seconds. And your V correspondingly is 2 meter per second. 2 meter per second. So your maximum length that the robot can cover when it goes with 2 meter per second, and when it goes with 2 meter per second, it will discharge its all the battery in 25 seconds. So 2 into 25. So this is 50 meter. So this will be your answer. Hope the concept is clearly understood. Even some doubt, don't hesitate to communicate. Thank you.